Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make WhatsApp group. So let's get right into it. Simply you have to open up your WhatsApp. Then you have to hit on this three dotted button which is top right corner of the screen. Hit on new group. Select the contact with whom you want to create group. Write the name of your group over here. Okay. So guys, you can add emojis over here as well by pressing this emoji. Select the emoji if you want to add any of emoji over here. You can add profile picture as well by pressing this camera icon. Simply you have to hit on this camera icon and you will see these options over here. You can upload picture from your gallery and you can add emojis and sticker as well. For now, I'm not going to add any picture over here. So I will just done this group. Once you're done with all these formalities, then you have to hit on this green button. Just simply you have to hit on this markup. And that's it guys. How to create WhatsApp group. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next one.